Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did our ancestors know so much about the universe without telescopes, satellites, or modern technology? Thousands of years ago, there were no observatories like we have today, yet our ancient sages spoke about the Navagrahas, the 9 grahas that continue to play an important role in Hindu tradition. So, how did they know? Let's explore this fascinating question. The first thing we need to understand is that our ancestors were exceptional observers of nature. Today, we are often busy looking at our phones, but in ancient times, people spent countless nights observing the sky. They noticed when the sun rose and set, how the moon changed its shape every month, and how certain bright objects slowly moved across the sky. These moving objects were different from the fixed stars. Over many generations, our ancestors recognized 5 such objects that could be seen with the naked eye, that is, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Along with the sun and the moon, these became 7 of the Navagrahas. Now comes an interesting question. If there were only 7 visible celestial bodies, why do we speak about the 9 grahas? The two remaining are Rahu and Ketu. Many people think Rahu and Ketu are physical planets, but according to astronomy, they are not. They are the 2 points where the moon's orbit crosses the apparent path of the sun. These points are important because solar and lunar eclipses happen when the sun, moon, and the earth align near them. Ancient Indian astronomers understood the significance of these points. In our sculptures, they are beautifully described through the story of Rahu and Ketu swallowing the sun and the moon during an eclipse. This story helped preserve astronomical knowledge in a way that people would easily remember. This is one of the beautiful aspects of our tradition. Scientific observation and symbolic storytelling often existed side by side. Another amazing fact is that in ancient India made significant contribution to astronomy and mathematics. Scholars carefully calculated planetary movements, prepared calendars, predicted eclipses, and measured time with remarkable accuracy using observation and mathematical methods. When we think about it, this required extraordinary patience. These observations were not made in a single night or even a single lifetime. They were redefined over centuries, with each generation adding to the knowledge of the previous one. This teaches us an important lesson. True knowledge is built through curiosity, discipline, careful observation, and continuous learning. Whether you approach the Navagrahas from a spiritual perspective or a scientific one, there is no doubt that our ancestors had deep respect for the universe. They looked at the sky not just with their eyes but with wonder and humility. Even today, millions of people worship the Navagrahas. Some do so for spiritual reasons, while others appreciate the incredible astronomical understanding that developed in ancient India. Both perspectives remind us of humanity's timeless desire to understand the cosmos. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember that the same stars, the same planets, and the same moon inspired our ancestors thousands of years ago. They questioned, observed carefully, and left behind a remarkable legacy that continues to inspire us. What do you think? Were our ancestors simply brilliant observers of nature, or do you believe there is even more to their knowledge than we can understand today? I would love to hear thoughts of yours in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about ancient wisdom, spirituality, and fascinating stories from our sculptures, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. Om Saravana Bhava.